Are you ready to unlock a natural solution to one of men's most common health concerns? Join me as we dive into the fascinating world of niacin, a vitamin powerhouse with the potential to revolutionize your approach to erectile dysfunction and cardiovascular health. Welcome to my channel, your trusted source for all things related to medicine, healthcare, and wellness. Our channel is dedicated to providing you with valuable insights, expert advice, and in-depth explorations of the world of medicine. Whether you're a healthcare professional, a student, or someone interested in improving your health and well-being, you'll find a wealth of knowledge here. Join us on a journey to discover the latest medical advancements, health tips, and inspiring stories from the world of medicine. Subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our informative and engaging content. Today, I'm excited to share another effective method for preventing and reversing erectile dysfunction. While there are numerous approaches to combat ED, many can be costly or time-consuming. Fortunately, I have a simple, affordable, and natural solution to discuss with you today, a commonly overlooked vitamin deficiency that can play a significant role in addressing ED. Let's delve into the world of niacin. Niacin, also known as vitamin B3, is a vital nutrient often underutilized in tackling one of the root causes of erectile dysfunction. It plays a crucial role in various bodily processes, including cholesterol regulation. Elevated cholesterol levels, along with inflammation, are major contributors to ED. When bad cholesterol accumulates in the bloodstream, it can lead to arterial stiffness and plaque formation, impeding blood flow, particularly to the penis. Recognizing the importance of maintaining optimal cholesterol levels is key, as ED can serve as an early warning sign of underlying cardiovascular issues. Niacin's impact on cholesterol. Unlike some medications with adverse side effects, niacin offers a more holistic approach. It effectively lowers LDL bad cholesterol while increasing HDL good cholesterol, promoting clearer blood vessels and potentially reducing the risk of heart disease. Studies have shown that maintaining a healthy HDL to LDL ratio is more beneficial than solely focusing on lowering total cholesterol levels. Benefits of niacin. Furthermore, what's good for the heart is often good for erections. Research indicates that niacin supplementation can lead to improved erectile function, particularly in men with high cholesterol and moderate to severe ED. In one study, participants experienced enhanced erections after taking 1,500 milligrams of niacin daily for 12 weeks. However, it's essential to be aware of the flush reaction associated with niacin consumption, characterized by temporary redness and tingling sensations. Starting with a lower dose and gradually increasing it, along with taking niacin with meals, can help mitigate this reaction. Conclusion. In summary, incorporating niacin into your daily regimen can not only help alleviate erectile dysfunction but also improve cholesterol levels. Remember to consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant changes, especially if you have underlying health conditions. If you're interested in trying niacin, thank you for watching, and remember to like, subscribe, and stay resilient.